How many planets are in our solar system? You learned the answer in school. 8. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. But what if that's wrong? What if there's a ninth, a giant world hiding in the dark, so far away we've never seen it? And what if, this very year, we finally find it? Let me show you one of the strangest mysteries in modern astronomy. First, how could a planet hide? Our solar system is mostly empty space. The Sun's gravity reaches more than 160 times farther than Neptune, the most distant planet we know. Out there, in that frozen darkness, sunlight is almost nothing. A planet that far away wouldn't shine. It would be a faint, slow-moving dot, almost impossible to see, even with our best telescopes. So yes, something big could be out there, and we'd have no idea. But if we can't see it, why do astronomers think it exists at all? The answer lies in a region beyond Neptune called the Kuiper Belt. It's a vast ring of icy worlds, dwarf planets, and frozen rock left over from the birth of the solar system. And in 2016, two astronomers at Caltech, Konstantin and Mike Brown, noticed something they couldn't explain. A group of these distant objects were all behaving strangely. Their orbits were tilted the same way, pointed in the same direction, clustered together, as if something was herding them. Think of 6 clocks, all different, but every time you look up, all 6 hands point the same way. That doesn't happen by chance. Something massive, with powerful gravity, seemed to be shaping their paths. They calculated its size, 5 to 10 times the mass of Earth, and its orbit, so far out it would take up to 20,000 years to circle the Sun once. They called it Planet 9. So why hasn't anyone found it? Because it's that far away. Sunlight barely reaches it. It moves so slowly across the sky that it blends into the stars. Mike Brown, the same astronomer, put it simply. He said it is very unlikely that Planet 9 does not exist, that there's no other good explanation for what we see. For years, the evidence seemed to grow. More distant objects were found, more strange orbits. The case got stronger. But here's where the story takes a turn, because the newest discoveries are starting to break the theory apart. In the frozen edge of the solar system, astronomers keep finding a special kind of object. They're called sednoids, worlds so distant that even Neptune's gravity can't touch them. The latest is named 2023 KQ14, and it's a problem. Its orbit should be disturbed, pulled and bent if a giant Planet 9 were really out there. But it isn't. Its path is stable, calm, almost untouched. And it's not alone. It's the 4th sednoid found like this, all of them stable, all of them quietly suggesting the same unsettling possibility. Maybe Planet 9 isn't where we thought. Maybe it's much farther away. Or maybe it isn't there at all. The harder we look, the stranger the picture becomes. So how do we end this, once and for all? Here's why this exact moment matters. High in the mountains of Chile, a brand new machine has just opened its eye. The Vera Rubin Observatory, the most powerful sky survey telescope ever built. It will scan the entire southern sky, night after night, for 10 years. Catching faint, slow-moving objects nothing else could ever see. And the astronomers hunting Planet 9 believe this is it, the moment of truth. Batygin said it himself. Starting in the summer of 2026, we will get a direct test of every piece of evidence for Planet 9. If it's out there, Rubin has a real chance to find it within the first year or two. Which means the answer to a question humanity has asked for 100 years could arrive at any moment. So think about what's at stake. If Rubin finds it, our solar system gains a 9th planet, the first true planet discovered in nearly 200 years. Our maps of home would be rewritten overnight. And if it finds nothing, then something even stranger is going on out there in the dark. Something we don't yet understand pulling on those distant worlds. Either way, we are about to learn something we've never known. Right now, tonight, there may be a giant world drifting silently at the edge of everything. Cold, dark, waiting. We just haven't seen it yet, but we're about to look harder than we ever have before. If this made you wonder what else is hiding out there, share it with someone who needs to see it. The next video is already waiting.